Now I want to add my variables to my Google Sheet, and I want to put the variables in drop-down menus so it'll be easier to add them to my formula. So I've created headings named Topic, Argument Type, and Focus, which are the three categories of variables. And I'll start with Topic. So I'm going to click in the cell below the header, and I'm going to click on Data, Data Validation, and over on the right I've got a sidebar menu that says Data Validation Rules. I'll click Add Rule, and the criteria will be drop down. It gives me 2 lines to work with. I need a total of 5 lines, so I'll click Add Another Item, Add Another Item, and Add Another Item. And now I can go to my Google Doc with all of the variable information, and I'm just going to grab this tab and drag it down here and resize my windows so I can make it easier to copy and paste. Okay, so now I will go into my Google Doc where there are topics, and my first topic is should cell phones be banned during school hours, followed by the prompt. So I will select that text, press Command C on my keyboard to copy. Since I have a Mac, it would be Control C on a PC. Go where it says Option 1 in my Google Sheet, select Option 1, press Command V to paste, and now I'll do that for the remaining 4 lines of this drop-down menu. So I'll skip ahead to the point where I finished with the first drop-down menu. So I added the 5 lines for the drop-down menu for the topic, and I'm going to drag over this window. So if I look under topic, I've got an arrow, a down arrow. If I click on that, I've got the 5 lines I want in this drop-down menu. And my next step would be to do the argument type. So now I would click Done, and I would click Add Rule, and now I would do the drop-down menu for argument type. So in the next video, we'll show you where we got to the point where we've added all of the drop-down menus.